Hello and thanks for joining me in another Fresh Start video presentation. Today, we're going to talk about the Spigen iPhone 11 Pro case and some of its features and benefits. Here we have a used but in pristine condition iPhone 11 Pro, and my goal is to keep it in that condition. As long as I can remember, buying and owning a cellular phone meant having the proper case to protect your investment from accidental damage or breakage. Now more than ever, cell phones have less bezel and more screen, which means more possibility for a cracked screen. Some phones even have lightweight bodies, I should say most of them, made out of some type of composite material or similar, or some type of metal, which means that the phone can bend, scratch, or ding easily. So what is your choice for phone protection? There are so many different options on the market. Who do you trust? What works? What doesn't? Here we have the Spigen smartphone case for the iPhone 11 Pro. I purchased it to match the midnight green color of the phone while providing adequate protection surrounding the bezel. Looking at the back of the package, from the top where it says Green Campaign, which means that this product is packaged with minimal materials that are easy to recycle and is sold in a lightweight box. So in order to open the package, there is a tab with an upwards pointing arrow, which makes opening the package a lot easier. Just pull on the tab and the upper folded flap comes right out. Dig for the item and pull the sealed case out. Although it's wrapped in a plastic protecting bag, there's no need to cut it open or remove any sealing tape to reveal the product. It slides right out. Actually, holding this case in my hand really feels good. The quality of the product is evident as soon as you are able to touch it. The form buttons are not hard to press and will work well with the phone inserted. Although this case is flexible, it is well built. So this is the protective film designed to protect the clear backing before first use. This film is easily removed by pulling it back at a 170-degree angle. That way, it pulls off consistently without tearing it along the way. Do the same for the reverse side. A little residue was left over, which can easily be removed with some rubbing alcohol. The rear of the package is a super clear PC plastic, which is durable in protecting the back of the phone while still allowing it to wirelessly charge. So let's install the phone into the case. I started from one lower corner and slowly pushed the phone in from one side to another while squeezing the edges over the phone. Swiping from the bottom is not affected by the case. The buttons are snug and work well with the phone in the case. The volume button is true to the touch. No functionality has been lost by the usage of the case. Let's talk about the stable mounting feature of this case. Looking at the corners, you'll notice a slight rise, which is meant to level the phone with the surrounding protection around the camera. The risers are pretty firm and solid. This feature is designed to keep the lens of the camera from being scratched, or in other words, from touching any surface that could possibly scratch it. So it's not just buying a case to protect the phone from damage during an accidental drop. You're also protecting the cameras and also the front of the screen from any potential scratches. You never know what could be laying on a surface when you lay the phone down. Just as the package indicated, form fitted for device. I must say this phone fits really well into the case. Not a single imperfection after installing the phone. The speakers and the lightning cable port are very visible, while the rest of the phone is well covered by this matching midnight green case made from a hybrid TPU plastic. This is any class of polyurethane plastics with many flexible properties, including elasticity, transparency, with resistance to oil, grease, and abrasion. Unless you really want to beat this case up, you'll have a hard time breaking this, and you can be confident that your phone will be protected once installed. So overall, I am extremely satisfied with this case, and I would highly recommend this case for your iPhone 11 Pro. It is available in a matte black, pink, clear, and as you saw in this video, a midnight green. Please also realize that as of the recording of this video, Spigen has all of your Samsung and iPhone needs covered. I will leave several links in the description box below to help you find these several different variation of cases on Amazon. Depending on where you live, many of these could be delivered next day if you order by a certain time. As always, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video to show your support. As a challenge to you, the audience, I will create a follow-up video on this product when this video hits 100 likes. Before we finish, be sure to leave a comment talking about your cell phone case preferences and past experiences. We'd all love to hear what you have to say. Bye for now.